of all. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog, we're gonna be getting back into my everyday routine. Like, I have clients every day, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the hair store. I took a little break, but now you guys are gonna get to see what I do, what I actually do during the days. So yeah, so right now I'm on the way to the hair store, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. I can't believe what just happened. I freaking walked to this hair store. It's about like 9:40, right? I forgot that the freaking hair store was not even open yet. So now I gotta walk back home. I forgot my card anyways, so I was gonna have to go back for my card anyways. But still, I gotta walk back to the freaking house until this hair store open. I was gonna go get some food since I was like, hair store not open, the food place, the Jamaican food place is open. But I forgot my card, and they only take card. So now I gotta walk back. Okay. Good morning.
I need your number.
You want a miracle?
Cause this lady came in here trying to get her hair done, and the way how you do
The full off?
and I didn't have.
Okay, I'll give you my Instagram.
A lot of time they ask.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna get my business cards together and then bring some for y'all.
Okay.
Since I moved over here, I've always been coming to this hair store, so they know me in here. So I'm gonna get some Shine and Jam. And I'm gonna get some nail glue. I don't think I need anything else other than that. I'm gonna get a handful of nail glue. Yeah, I'm just asking. So before my client comes, I'm gonna eat something because baby, I am hungry. It's probably like 10:30 right now. I'm gonna eat. I got food from this Jamaican spot, and baby, oh, look at that sawfish, that banana. Oh, look, see that steam come on for that thing, baby. It's so freaking good. So my client is here. Time to get the day started.
We've no place for yourself. A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself
folks, that is the end of Vlogmas Day 3. I just got some food I'm gonna eat before my next client. Thank you guys for tuning in again. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely come back for more. Vlogmas Day 3 is a wrap. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.